How do I set the figure title and axis labels font size? I am creating a figure in matplotlib like this. I want to specify font sizes for the figure title and the axis labels. I need all three to be different font sizes, so setting a global font size, mpl.webparams_font.size equals x, is not what I want. How do I set font sizes for the figure title and the axis labels individually?
Functions dealing with text like label, title, etc. accept parameters same as matplotlib.text.text. For the font size you can use size/font size. For globally setting title and label sizes, mpl.webparams contains axis.titlesize and axis.labelsize. From the page. As far as I can see, there is no way to set X and Y label sizes separately. And I see that axis.titlesize does not affect subtitle. I guess you need to set that manually.
You can also do this globally via or params dictionary.
If you're more used to using ax objects to do your plotting, you might find the ax.axis.label.set_size easier to remember, or at least easier to find using tab in an IPython terminal. It seems to need a redraw operation after to see the effect. For example, I don't know of a similar way to set the subtitle size after it's created.
To only modify the title's font, and not the font of the axis, I use this. The font accepts all quarks from matplotlib.text.text.
If you want to say more, let's say consider subscribing.